I traveled to one of the strangest and rainiest places in the world, Portland, Oregon, to meet Penny the pit bull.
Hi, my name is Robby. I live in Portland, Oregon, and my pit bull Penny is out of control. Ever since she became a social media sensation, she has been so disrespectful. She's constantly calling me names.
Idiot.
She always has to be the center of attention.
Happy birthday!
And she's always pranking me. So I am fed up. Help me, dog whisperer. You're my only hope.
My goodness, Portland really has lived up to its weird reputation, hasn't it?
Yes, you're here. Oh, thank God. Please, come on in.
Oh dear.
Oh.
I see I have my work cut out for me. Robby, here's what we're going to do. You and Penny will go about your daily routine and I will interject when necessary. Got it?
All right.
We'll get through this.
Yeah, we'll see. You see what I mean? This is exactly what I'm talking about.
Tut, tut, tut. I've got this. Hello, Penny. You listen here. Your father pays for your rent. He pays for your food. And he is so nice to you. I swear on everything that is beautiful to me that it will be the end for you.
Hey! What are you doing? Get off the couch.
Sit. Penny, sit. Good girl. Wow.
Oh, I forgot some water. Don't touch.
Looks like a tasty treat, doesn't it? Listen here. If you touch his food, I will end you.
Oh my God. You're a good girl.
All right, Robert. Tell me how it's been since I've been gone.
Oh my God, she is like a new dog. It is remarkable. Thank you so much.
More than happy to help. Well, I guess my work is done here.
No, what? No, please stay.
You'll be just fine.
All right.
All right, everybody. Goodbye.
Goodbye, thank you so much.
Oh, see you later, Penny.
Penny, I am so happy to have you back as my best friend. Truce?
Oh.